I never heard of a mattress vacuum cleaner until FEPPO gifted me this one. And I've been doing a lot of research on these, and I am so excited to put this to the test. Now, from what I understand, this is going to clean and sanitize thanks to a vacuum, heat, ultrasonic waves, and UV light. And this is not just limited to removing anything that has collected over time on your mattress, which is really something I don't even want to think about because I'm sure it's gross, but it also will work on your couch or any other piece of upholstered furniture you have. So this is an all-around upholstered furniture or mattress cleaner. And because of all that, I am really excited to put this to the test. So let's unbox it first, see everything you get, and then I'm gonna test it on a mattress and a couch. Now here it is straight out of the box. It's ready to go. It really is this small handheld vacuum cleaner that provides so much more. And because you're not rubbing it on your floors, you can feel more confident using it where you sleep and where you sit. It has an exceptionally long 12-foot cord, so you really get a lot of space to move around with this. You can remove this bottom piece to clean the brush as needed. Very easy to do. And I'm just twisting it in with my fingernails. It really doesn't take much. So of course you have the vacuum right here. This is your ultrasonic wave will come out of this. And this is where the UV sterilizing light will come from. And then it is tankless, so this is what you empty once it fills up. You just press this button right here and it'll pop right off. Right here you can see where the dirty air is going to come in, and then it's going to collect in the tank and then come out right here. It has a HEPA filter in it, which I'll show you in a minute, but it also has this physical barrier right here just to catch anything else before it blows the air back into your space, which has to be coming out of one of these vents, I'm not sure yet. And then for the tank, you want to grab from the middle, and you do kind of need a pull. It has a really good silicone seal, which is key as that will keep everything in it. And then this is your HEPA filter right here. You can pop it out and clean it as needed, and you do get an extra replacement when this one gets too worn out, and these are pretty standard, so I'm sure you can get more of these as needed. And it just goes right back in its mesh little screen that also probably will need to be cleaned over time, and pop right back in here. And then this just snaps right on, and that's really it. Let's start vacuuming. My first test is going to be vacuuming sheets. I already turned it on once and I'm really impressed at how this works. And I love the idea of being able to quickly vacuum my kids' sheets instead of having to wash them all the time, especially since this also fully sterilizes. It does everything I want. And before I turn it on, I do want to point out that this little screen right here will tell you what's running. That's not a touch screen. It just notifies you whether it is running ultrasonic, the roller, the dehumidifier, and the UV light. And I actually missed that this also has a dehumidifier. There is so much going on here. Let me show you. So to turn on, just press the power button. And it immediately turns on and it tells me what's going on over here. It says it's killing bugs and it has all the lights on. And I can just run it back and forth. And it's sticking on the fabric a little bit, but I love the idea that it's taking everything off in the process. And it feels like I did nothing at all, which is exactly what you want. And then of course, if you want to go for a deeper clean, get down to the mattress itself and turn it on. And in that very, very quick vacuuming, it did actually already capture some stuff, not too much. It almost looks like dust, but I'm sure those are dead skin cells. So that's pretty wild. And I also know that the key piece is what I'm not seeing here, what it is sterilizing in the mattress. So that is impressive. Now let me test it on my couch, which I know is much dirtier. Now my family lives on this couch. We've had it for a decade. I do vacuum this one with my regular vacuum, But I know that this is going to make a huge difference, as I am confident there is a lot of buildup in this couch that I cannot get to with a standard vacuum. Let's go. It really is pulling up a lot of gross stuff so fast. That is not stuff I normally see get pulled up. I'm a little shocked and grossed out by how well this is working, and I'm also blown away by what it smells like in here. It reminds me of like a brand new showroom. This is definitely doing its sterilizing work, and I think that's what I'm smelling is the UV light sterilizer, but I'm not really sure where that smell is coming from. But it is a very clean odor, and I cannot tell you how impressed I am by this FEPPO vacuum. Now I am definitely going to go vacuum my entire couch. This is amazing. I highly recommend this if you have dirty mattresses or upholstery and just want to stay on top of things. This is only a couple minutes of vacuuming, and that's an amazing amount of disgusting skin cells and other things that have built up on my mattress and couch. Awesome.